Hi everyone, welcome back to HowTechs. Today we have a Samsung S7 Edge and we're going to show you how to change the timeout on the screen. So this is the amount of time before the screen turns itself off and locks your phone. So you want to go to Settings, which is this blue gear in your apps. Click this and now go to Display and then scroll down and you want to look for Screen Timeout. So it's right now set to 30 seconds. You can do it even less or you can do it a lot longer. So let's just do 5 minutes. So you want to be careful because this also controls how quickly your phone locks itself. So if you leave it on a table and you set the time to be 5 or 10 minutes, there's plenty of time for someone to come up and grab your phone when you're not looking and then get information from you or send emails in your name. So you might want to make it a little bit shorter. So that's the basics on how you set the screen timeout time on a Samsung S7 Edge. Please check out other videos for this phone and many others here on HowTechs. See you next time. Bye. Okay, so one more thing. Let's just try out the pen just for fun. So as soon as you take it out, it seems to know.